Bien chicos, pues vamos a empezar con nuestro modelado de hoy. Vamos a hacer este Singing Monster azul de aquí, este tan simpático. Ya sabéis que en vídeos anteriores modelamos otros Singing Monsters. Lo digo por si queréis hacer una tarta para vuestros peques, ahí podéis encontrar tutoriales de otros modelados. Tened siempre a mano una imagen para poder ir fijándoos a medida que vayáis haciendo el modelado. Y si es la primera vez que vais a hacer un modelado con fondant, os recomiendo que le echéis un vistacito al vídeo en el que hablo sobre las nociones básicas de modelados con fondant. Os voy a dejar el enlace por aquí arriba, por si le queréis echar un vistacito. Y además en ese vídeo también modelamos a Pushing the Cat. Pues muy bien, ya no me enrollo más y vamos a empezar con nuestro modelado.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, 'cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop. Don't stop. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, 'cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking looking back, mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.